Hey y'all, it's Tay and we're about to pack 2 orders. Well, technically we're gonna pack 3 orders today. So a lot of you all know who I am. My name is Tay. I'm the owner of Pretty Girl Bangles and Accessories LLC. But recently we have kind of, I wish you could say, rebrand, switched over to becoming a phone case, junk case business. So I make custom phone cases, junk glasses, as you all can see. Also storage cubes as well. So I'm gonna bring a close-up view of the storage case that we're about to, a cube that we're about to pack up. Again, all of these are on the website. The website link is in the bio, prettygirlbangles.com, or not bio, in the description box. So prettygirlbangles.com. Again, if you are a first-time customer, make sure you use the first-time customer discount code. If you're not a first-time customer, make sure you use the code PRETTYGIRL. Okay, Pretty Girl for returning customers, code PRETTY for first-time customers. So this is going to be the first case that we're going to pack up. And this is what her case is looking like. She asked for a custom case. So she paid extra for it to be not Hello Kitty, Tweety Bird with a CC purse, and she just asked for everything else around it to be nice and girly. So this is the first case that we're going to package. And then second, we also going to package this case. She also ordered a custom case. She wanted it to have Minnie Mouse charms. She wanted it to have nursing charms as well. So yeah, guys, this is what we came up with. So let me know if you like it. So I am going to cure the back of this case one more time. And usually, again, I don't really have full in-depth tutorials. I don't think I'm going to post full in-depth tutorials. But I will say that the process is pretty straightforward, but it's very time consuming. It takes me about an hour to finish a given item. iPad cases take about 2 hours to finish if I start it and finish it in one day. Usually I don't. I usually just start and finish iPad cases within over a 3-day period, because I kind of get fatigued. So now that I have everything ready to go, I kind of like pre-made the boxes. So we're going to work on order number 1 first, the Tweety Bird order. So as y'all can see, I like to put the case, if the case can fit, I like to put the case back into the original packaging. And I also then put it in like this little cute bag. I got these bags for my daughter's 6-month birthday party, and I did not want to put them in the garbage, so I kind of just use them as extra packaging to make stuff look cute. And then I wrap everything up in a bubble bag, just like that. So then I do include a business card and a discount code for next time in every package. And yeah, I just kind of wrap it up like this. Super easy. So if you all are interested in shopping, the website will be in the description box. Again, I know I have not made a packing orders video in almost 2 years, almost, really. I know I didn't do none in 2024, because y'all know 2024 was the year I was pregnant and I gave birth. So I was off of all of 2024. So I'm officially back to business. So yeah, guys, let me know, comment down below if you all have been following me for a while. If you all have purchased a custom phone case for me, let us know. Give me a review down below. Did you like it? Did it come packaged nice and neat? Was the case worth the money? Again, we do have bundle deals on the website. If you purchase a phone case and an iPad case, you will get $20 off. So then after that, I do ship all phone cases and iPad cases. I ship those priority, so that way it comes with insurance. So shipping priority allows me to allow the case to come with insurance in case anything comes up or anything happens to the case in transit. And yeah, that is really the finished product. Like I said, I've been doing packing orders videos on this page since 2020. And then I just include the packing slip and we just go on to the next order. So this order is officially complete. So yeah, again, like I said, if you have shopped already, please leave me a review in the comment section so others kind of can see the process and everything like that. So then after that, I just like to put their shipping label on it, and we're gonna call it a day. So yeah, guys, that's the process. Again, vendors list are also on the website. If you are looking to start a junk case business, I definitely suggest it. Definitely is a profitable business. It's a trending business right now. So it's best to get on items, get on things while they are trending. So I definitely recommend it. I do have my junk case vendors on the website for you. And I do have bracelet vendors on the website, junk case vendors on the website, and I also have the vendors list combo where you get all of my bracelet vendors and all of my junk case vendors for a price of one. So yeah, that's the process. Same thing over and over. I have been back on TikTok Live every day and stuff. I did make a new Instagram, but it's not obviously Pretty Girl Bangles. It's Pretty Bling. It will be in the description box down below as well. And other than that, I have been working. I'm super excited about the new business venture. And yeah, so I hope you all have been enjoying this quick little video. I know, like I said, I've been packing orders on this page since forever. So this is nothing new. Again, if y'all do, this is like a super, like I said, not a super in-depth video about packaging, but as y'all can see, it's really self-explanatory, really. And then I just push it in there just like that. I put their packing slip in there and I call it a day. So make sure if you like packing videos, if you like business videos, comment down below if I should bring the business videos back. It won't be teaching, it'll just be more so of like behind the scenes and stuff. So let me know in the comment section if y'all want more business videos again. Not teaching, I got ebooks for that, but more packing orders videos, inventory hauls, stuff like that. Let me know. So these orders are done and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Okay, let's go through some inventory. But first, I got a question. Why do y'all DM me, tell me that you're payment ready, ask me for the link to shop, but then y'all don't shop? Like what's that about? Or y'all tell me, what's your vendors? I'm payment ready. I send you the link to the vendors list and you don't buy it. What's that about, y'all? But anyway, I'm opening up some new inventory. So of course I have to restock on some resin. I use UV resin, restocking on that. And then I do have a restock on the phone cases. So I have a customer, she asked for a pop socket. So that's what I got. I got her a pop socket to go with her order. Then I have a iPhone 15 Pro Max case. I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max case, Tweety sticker. I have a 14 Pro Max case, 14 Pro Max case, and a 15 Plus. So these are off my orders. So now I'm about to just put their phone cases with their orders and get started working. So make sure y'all hit that link in the bio. If y'all do want my vendors, you don't even have to DM me. All you have to do is go straight to my website and shop. Again, guys, there's no need to DM me or even ask me that you want the vendors list or tell me you want the vendors list. All you got to do is literally click the link in the bio and go to my vendors section and purchase. So I will see y'all later. And if you do want to order, make sure you hit that link. Bye.